pull out the dyno sheet.
Oh yeah, 501, right?
I don't even get a dyno sheet. I get a fucking, I get a text and I'm like, it's good. It's good.
It's good. So, I know I didn't get to record the finish, but we are going on the dyno. She's dirty, disgusting. But you know, it's always something. It's always something. I had to get a flat tire, so we are gonna fix that, and then we're gonna have some fun. But you guys don't know how excited I am right now, because my end gauge, but that has 19,911. I think I need an oil change, and oh man, you guys don't understand how excited I am once it goes on the dyno. So from my Pro Charger, we had brand new injectors, we had a controller, and it seems like the controller was bad, because now I'm not getting fuel up top, so it's kind of sad, but that just gives me a reason to invest into a fuel system. I was gonna run 93 for a bit, but no, now I have to do a fuel system. But once we go on the dyno, you guys don't know how excited I am. Like, and then there's this white Mustang. Like, I am in love with this white Mustang. I don't know why. I think it's like the wheel setup, the welds. So it is dyno time. Oh man. Ooh. It is dyno time. We're gonna have some fun. I'm not getting enough fuel, so hopefully she doesn't blow. But if she does, she goes. But yeah, let's see what she does.
Yo, when you play the video, kill me. Us racing out there soon, you know?
What is today's lesson for Kevin? You put tires on backwards.
Rule number one about street racing.
Put them on.
Radials are directional.
Radials are
I do that one day.
Yeah, I know.
You said a couple calls. Okay, today's lesson.
Picks up 1 second in the quarter mile.
Turns the tires the right fucking way.
Let you drive in the rain.
Did you drive in the rain? Yes. Yeah. People be like, yo, these tires suck in the rain. Well, did you have them the right direction? Hey, they're directional? What?
So Joe and I put our wheels on incorrectly.
I just blame you.
No, fuck you.
Where is this? Let's go. You gotta go look. Come on.
Let's
Come
go.
on. Take YouTube on a ride.
On a ride? Wait. It's dark. It's dark. We gotta bring out
get
the
the
flash.
light.
We
Get
gotta
the
bring
light.
out the flash.
Come on, let's see.
All right.
All right.
What do
So
we-
many nice, pretty colors. Here.
I know. I love this
favorite
white.
is that being
No,
rugged.
I love this white one, bro.
Well, why don't you buy fucking white, you broke
Fuck you.
bastard?
Fuck you. Let's go.
Fucking asshole.
Are they?
No, his are on right. Yours is on wrong.
Fuck you.
Yep. Blame it on you only time. See, I told you it was only you. And you were like trying to blame it on Joe.
No. Nick said it was
you.
on incorrect.
No, yeah, you.
No,
you.
Nick-
He was
Nick-
talking about you the whole time.
Fuck you. That's crazy.
Nah, Joe had him on the right way. Only Kevin's the jackass.
Fuck you.
Now listen, what you need to do is take the prep.
Put Joe's on. That's the problem.
Yeah, exactly.
And put his on.
Yeah, I don't have the funds for, like, you know.
You know, like do all this thing.
Yo, yeah, Street Racing 101. Are we gonna? We have to prep the road. You gonna take a video of us prepping the road?
Yeah, you have
we gotta
to.
go back to that spot. I'm gonna run to the 8th, and then back. And then you get everybody's face when the cop turns onto the fucking spot.
You want to race the NA guy.
Yeah, tell him you. Pull out the dyno sheet.
Oh yeah, 501, right?
I don't even get a dyno
Yo,
sheet.
yo, you
I
turn
get
it
a
on,
fucking.
man.
I get a text and I'm like, it's good.
It's good. So what did we hit? We hit 508, right? 508? You gotta admit, 508.
The only thing we're admitting is that your tires were on the wrong fucking way.
Fuck you.
He said he's gonna race you backwards.
Backwards. You heard that?
I get the brake, right?
Get the brake.
I get the brake.
Yeah, okay.
It's automatically auto versus sick. I get the brake.
No.
There's no fucking argument.
Nope. So this race is
It's
coming
final.
soon, right?
It's final.
All right.
It's final. Yeah, it's coming soon. As long as
Why
the.
don't you make an escape run and get some 109, kid?
Tomorrow morning? All right. So that's it for today. That's it for today. Oh shit.
Oh, you didn't buy the fucking.
I actually like this whole.
Well, yeah, you turned down to B. Like you didn't buy the what is that shit?
That shit.
The loud valve cutout.
Ah.
Shit.
So it's kind of late. On the dyno, it didn't read the number, so it didn't pick up the number, so couldn't really give you guys a number. It was the number that was on there was from the previous car that was dynoed, which was a full bolt-on E85 Mustang, you know. And I believe it was like 501 or something like that, or 5. No, it was like 507. All right, so he is finishing up. We're not putting in exhaust because I love the way that the turbos sound, and you know I bought them just because you know but yeah, so we are not putting on the exhaust, which was a Flowmaster, so I'll probably be selling that for like fucking like $500 or whatever. So I'm just take that off my hands. He is doing my axles, swapping over my tires because I bought new tires. I'm adding a few more BMR suspension components, and you know we should be out by Monday or Tuesday. Right now it's Halloween, actually. It's Halloween, so yeah, it'll be out by Monday, and that's perfect timing because tomorrow it's gonna be raining and I'm not really gonna be able to drive the car, and I'm just excited to get the car on the road so I can do some testing and you know, start racing my car, because like that's why we built it. And then we should be ordering a fuel system because of the BAB controller just wasn't bueno from my previous Mustang, which was the Pro Charge one. I guess the one that they installed from whoever installed it. We won't say any names because we don't associate with that shop or that previous tuner that, you know. So yeah, we are changing a few things here and there, and then I'm gonna be ordering a fuel system probably in the next couple weeks. It's just with everything that's going on, I have to worry about my business first before I start spending more money onto the Mustang. And yeah, so I'm just excited to get it on the road and do some testing, make some videos about it, and just get the car going, honestly. But yeah, this I'm gonna cut the video. I'm heading home because I'm starving, so we're gonna go eat. And yeah, if you like the build, don't forget to like and subscribe, and continue to follow the build, because we are gonna make this car fast, and we are gonna do everything that we can to make this car out there. Now, I will be traveling with the car soon, racing it state to state. Yeah, so more content, different content is coming, and it's just we gotta be unique, you know? So yeah, all right guys, I'm getting off now.